So what we're going to do is refit the valve, drop the valve in, tighten it into the body, get your 17mm ratchet or a spanner. If you use a spanner, I'd recommend using the ring end so you don't round off the nut on it. Get your bottom part of the spring, put that over the nut itself, and I always find it easier to put the brass top collar on the spring already with the hole recessed. And then locate the bottom part of the spring into the other hole on the bottom plate, and then you're tensioning yourself. So anti-clockwise, and then you push it down. And that's got tension there. Always make sure in the boiling handle, before you put it back on, you have a little plastic spigot that literally slides in right to the bottom. Do not lose that. And then before you put that on, locate this part at the top and you'll feel it drop there straight away, just drop straight down. And then yeah, get your handle on. Locate it into the splines and get your nut right in the center, like that. Tighten it up. Get your end cap, and that's your valve fitted, all sprung back, all ready to go. Perfect.